Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to create a Facebook group. So to create a Facebook group, first of all make sure to update your application. For that, go to your Play Store. On the search box type in Facebook. After you type in Facebook, instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated. After you're done updating your application, click the open button and then log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, you'll need to go ahead and tap the tab bar icon. After that, it's going to direct you to the menu page. Right on this, tap the group from the top, and here you'll need to go ahead and tap on your group. Once you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and select create, which is right on top. You'll need to give a name to your group first of all and select whether you want to make it public or private. So let's go ahead and make it private. And you also need to select visibility, so you can just go ahead and tap either one of it in create group button. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully created a group, and it's going to ask you to invite people, those who you want to add it to your Facebook group. So basically that's how you can create a Facebook group. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.